Drink little, because this can make you lose weight very fast, making you lose belly fat, and slimming your waist in a few days. If you thought it was just a simple spice, you will be surprised. These leaves are very slimming. I'll tell you all about this drink. But first, tell me in the comments from which city you are following this video. This recipe with bay leaf is a gold mine and is increasingly being commented by people who have tested and proven the high value of the recipe to lose weight and belly fat. That's because these leaves have anti-inflammatory, diuretic, digestive, and rheumatic properties. Folks, the drink from these leaves has antioxidant and fluid retention effects, aiding in the digestive system. But what makes the weight loss effect of this drink a real treasure trove for wiping fat from the body is its mixture with cinnamon. When this happens, chemical reactions of these two ingredients make the effect of this drink a real natural remedy, which slims very fast, promoting the disinflammation of the abdominal area and the reduction of swelling. The bay leaf has very rich components worth gold called eugenol and eucalyptus, acting as an exterminator against body fat, reducing bloating, gas, and stomach acidity, also improving abdominal pain. Cinnamon is a well-known weight loss treasure. It produces chemical reactions that accelerate and, if consumed regularly, can stop the natural process of fat accumulation in the body, especially in the abdominal region. Cinnamon is directly linked to the control of blood sugar, helping you to control anxiety and providing a considerable loss. This tea, with these ingredients, is being acclaimed and well spoken of. People who have tested it are reporting quick weight loss and are increasingly recommending it to their friends. So, let's go to the ingredients of the bay leaf tea with cinnamon to lose weight and belly. We will need 10 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 liter of water. Place 1 liter of water to boil with the bay leaves and the cinnamon stick. After it begins to boil, lower the heat and let the natural herbs boil for about 15 minutes. Then let the mixture stand until it is a pleasant temperature to drink. Take 1 cup first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and then choose a time of day to take another cup. It is recommended to take 2 cups a day. You can take it every day until you get the results you want. And besides losing weight, you will enjoy the stomach deflating benefits that this drink has. Attention, cinnamon is not recommended during pregnancy, nor is it recommended in high doses. Folks, I would like to pass on a message that is in 2 Peter 3-8. Do not forget this, beloved. To the Lord 1 day is as 1,000 years, and 1,000 years as 1 day. We like to know the why of all the things that happen in our lives. We want to know what time, where to go, how to get there, and what will happen when we get there. God helps us by creating a sense of security around our time. But God's time is so far removed from our concept that it can sometimes be difficult to understand God's time and trust it. We can regain our sense of security and trust that everything will happen in God's time. That was today's video. See you next time. Bye.